Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to easily obtain Microsoft reward points. Let's begin. First, go to the official website rewards.bing.com, log into your account, and once you are on the home page, click over here, refer and earn. So it says the more your friends use Bing, the more you will earn. So just click over here and copy your unique link you can send to your friends. So here, invite your friends, then earn one reward point for every search your friend makes on Bing. Then you can easily turn those spending points into earned points when your friends use Bing as their daily search engine. So this is actually the easiest way you can earn reward points in your Microsoft account. Now, another way is if you're going to look at their homepage, you can utilize their searching option. You can use Microsoft Edge and utilize Bing. So it says in here, earn points for every search you make through Bing on your PC or even in the mobile application. All right. Then we're going to view more rewards for you. You can do daily tasks. Over here is going to be a specific number of points allocated for those. You can scroll down and there will be a whole lot of activities you can do to earn a whole lot of points. So that's it. And don't forget to invite your friends. This is actually how you can get a whole lot of points per month. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.